Hello and welcome back, children. This is Mr. Muzaffar presenting before you the eighth topic of your honeycomb reader. The name of the topic is A Bicycle in Good Repair. My dear children, I have taught you the one part of this chapter. Today I am going to teach you the second and final part of this lesson. My dear children, let me remind you the previous knowledge. My dear children, narrator. Here a friend, narrator, here a friend. He called himself a technician. His friend called himself a technician. One day he proposed a long bicycle drive to the child, to the narrator. One day he told him that we will go for a long drive. We will go for a long drive. Next day, when technician, a temporary technician, or we can say ordinary technician, when he next day when he reached to a narrator and he saw narrator's bicycle, he saw narrator's cycle, he told him that this cycle is not good cycle. Narrator asked him, what is the problem? What is the problem? He told him that, what he told him? He told him that wobbling is taking place. Wobbling is taking place. Wobbling is taking place. Wobbling is taking place. The front tire of a cycle is not moving properly. Is not moving properly. Then this technician, his friend, he told him, go and bring a hammer. Go and bring a hammer. Okay, my dear children. He dismantled a lot of parts of the cycle. He was thinking himself that he is a technician, but he was not a real technician. He was not a real technician. He told his friend narrator, your cycle is wobbling. The front tire of a cycle is wobbling. The front tire of a bicycle is wobbling. So we must repair it. We must repair it. And then he asked him for a hammer. Later he dismantled a lot of parts of the cycle and laid them on the ground, laid them on the road path, laid them on the road path. My dear children, he made a complaint regarding ball bearing. Then he told him bearing is not working, and he opened the ball bearings. The boy wanted to stop him. Narrator wanted to stop him, but by that time ball bearing was scattered. When everything of a cycle scattered around, then he could not stop him. Sorry, he could not stop him on the road. He collected them and pulled them back in the hat. Narrator had with him. Later he collected all screws, ball bearings on a hat, my dear children. The narrator tried to dissuade him to spoil further. The narrator was trying to stop him. He was not thinking that more damage will go to my bicycle, but he did not stop. Him. He took out gear case and misplaced screws. He misplaced everything, my dear children. He played with screws first by tightening the screws and later by losing them. He was not a mechanic. He was considering himself that he is a good mechanic. He opened the screws, he opened the ball bearings, he opened the front tire of a bicycle. Then he is not able to tighten the screws, my dear children. First by tightening the screws and later by losing them. Then I started refixing the wheel by holding a fork. Fork means digging tool, my dear children. However, they faced a problem. Now he is not able to, my dear children, to fix the screws. Now he is not able to fix the ball bearings. They were not in a condition to fix the tire of a bicycle. However, they faced so many problems. Realizing his mistake of not fixing, ball bearings. He searched for it. Now, whatever he was opening from a bicycle, then he was not able to find it. Then he was not able to place it in a proper position, my dear children. He searched for it, which were scattered all around. He had scattered all things of a bicycle here and there, and some screws he put them on his, hat. My dear children, he fixed 6 on one side. In one side, he fixed 6 screws and 5 on others, but the rest screws he was not able to know where to fix them, my dear children. The boy felt that cycle would wobble more, and firstly, tire of a cycle was not wobbling. It was up to the mark, and then he opened it, and now it starts more wobbling. My dear children. Rather than saying his true feelings, he appreciated him. He did not tell him that you are not a mechanic, but he appreciated his way of working. He appreciated his way of working. He appreciated him for his confidence and hopefulness. He had confidence. He had hope that he can do it, but he was not a real mechanic, my dear children. He was not a real mechanic, my dear children. He could not place things properly, my dear children. The words encouraged him to reflex the cycle with enthusiasm, with dedication. The man messed up everything. And he messed up everything of a bicycle, my dear children. And he realized, narrator realized that he is not a true mechanic. He is not a real mechanic, but he is trying to become a mechanic. But he was working with confidence. And finally, narrator take him to the kitchen and told him, wash his hands. Thank you and have a good